In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Wix 2026 Guide. Wix is a beginner-friendly platform that lets you build a professional site with intuitive drag and drop tools, so you can focus on your content and design without touching code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a fresh account to a customized layout that reflects your brand and goals. Start by heading to Wix.com and creating your account. Use an email address you actively check so you don't miss important confirmations and updates. When setting your password, choose something strong and unique to keep your site secure. After you complete the quick onboarding prompts, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. Think of this as your control center. It's where all your sites, settings, and tools live in one organized place. From the dashboard, begin a new project by selecting Create New Site. This opens a clean slate for the website you're about to build. If you plan to manage multiple projects over time, remember that you can always return here to stay organized, switch between sites, and make updates later without losing track of anything. Next, choose how you want to start. If you have a clear vision and prefer total control, pick a blank site. This gives you maximum flexibility over every section and layout choice. If you want to move faster, explore Wix's professionally designed templates. They come with ready-made pages and sample content tailored to different industries and goals. Take a moment to browse categories that match your purpose, whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or a business site. Then preview designs to see how pages flow and how elements look together. Select the one that best fits your style and content needs. Once you've picked a layout, the Wix editor opens. This is your visual canvas. Click any text to rewrite headlines and paragraphs so they speak directly to your audience, and replace placeholder images with your own photos or graphics. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your branding, aiming for a consistent look across pages. If you need more structure or functionality, add sections like headers to guide visitors, galleries to showcase work, and contact forms so people can reach you easily. Drag and drop elements into place and use the built-in alignment guides to keep everything neat and readable. As you refine, keep your messaging clear and concise, and choose imagery that supports your story while loading efficiently. That's it. Your site foundation is in place. Return to the dashboard anytime to keep improving, and continue refining your pages in the editor until everything looks and feels just right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.